Hello everyone, this is AFC machine. It's different from the normal machine. Focus on the yarn feeder. Here are some points on the knitting interface. The yarn enable, the yarn down, and the yarn pocket point. Now you see, we can't move the number 1 yarn feeder or other yarn feeders. After clicking the yarn enable, it will change into yarn disable. Now we can move the yarn feeder. When we click the yarn down, we can move the number 3 yarn feeder or other yarn feeder. Click again. Yes. You can see the yarn feeder returned to the last position. This is the yarn down and the yarn enable difference. Next is yarn pocket point. The edge network refers to the waste yarn stop point, far away the knitting area. The edge work refers to the yarn feeder, but next row will use. The inside near and far refer to. It will used for making part jacquard and intarsia. The inside far value according to the software. The main and wide refer to the pleating pattern. Normally, this value you can change according to the knitting situation. But here inside near and far the value can't set too small because the tuck can't knit. Okay, next let's test the yarn feeder. System test. Self-run yarn. You see, from number 1 to number 8 is left side yarn feeder. From number 9 to number 6 is right side yarn feeder. Here, we take number 1 and number 9 yarn feeder as an example. Click needle 0 position. Raise up the first needle, making the needle top match the middle top of the yarn feeder. You see, the needle 0 position is okay. Then reset it. Next, let's test number 9 yarn feeder. Click needle 0 position. Same operation. You see, the needle position is okay. Reset. All reset means all yarn feeder will reset. Click return. Next, if the needle 0 position is wrong, we can change it. System parameters, the password is 48. Self-run yarn. Here 2 options, yarn feed position, motor configure. We click motor configure. From number 1 to number 8 is left side yarn feeder. From number 9 to number 16 is right side Yan fader. Here we also use number 1 and number 9 Yan fader as an example. Click here, click function. Click 1. Then move number 1 Yan fader to this position. Raise the first needle. Keep the first needle can match the middle top of the Yan fader. You see, this position is right. As the interface shows, you see, move Yan to 0 position and press 2. Press 2, then finish. Next is number 9 Yan fader. Click 1. Then move number 9 Yan fader to needle 0 position. Same operation. Press 2, then finish. Next, let's check Yan fader position. We need to pay attention to Yan fader position and wide Yan 1 offside. The Yan fader position refers to the distance from the right top to main Yan. The wide Yan 1 offside refers to the distance from the main Yan to the wide Yan 1 offside. The cotton offside is used for making weft insertion. The Yan fader moves some needles according to input value. You see, the Yan fader has 3 positions: no press, half press, press. It was controlled by carriage cam. Then, let's check it. Carriage test. Telescopic bottle. Here we use number 6 Yan fader 1 system. The 0 position same with the position 1. Position 1, position 2, position 3, position 1, position 2, position 3. So far, today's show is over. That's all. Thank you.